There are hard and fast rules, and I think that's the key here, is those people who are trying to exploit loopholes are looking for loopholes that don't exist.
From education to enforcement, the city has been handing out tickets to those flaunting the rules. And with a slight ease up on restrictions and the warmer weather continuing, the city is warning against those looking for loopholes.
You just can't let your guard down, and sometimes you need that enforcement in place. And I know very well that the Calgary Police and/or our bylaw officers are enforcing only flagrant violations. And when we see those, we're going to act.
The warm weather in Calgary over the last few days has more people out, and some failing to follow health orders. Tickets given to 3 adult males for what the city's bylaw department says was a flagrant disregard for physical distancing in Lindsay Park. The cost of each ticket, $1,200. Now, 3 adults were given $400 tickets for accessing the skate park that was fenced off and closed by the city in March. Another 3 violation tickets were given to adults for drinking in a public space.
If you're stunting on Crescent Road and you're having parties at night, guess what? That's not allowed. That's not a loophole. It's actually a rule. It's not allowed. If you are in an outdoor running club with people that don't work with you and you're running all together and blocking a pathway, that's not allowed.
What is allowed are driveway dinner parties, but it needs to be done in moderation. With Alberta Health easing up on restrictions when it comes to seeing people, Nenshi says he's erring on the side of caution. When it comes to small gatherings, it should be for people who are under the age of 60. They shouldn't have pre-existing conditions, and they shouldn't be at risk.
I take some exception to people who say, the rules are not clear. They're very clear. Stay at home as much as you can. Stay at least 2 meters away from anybody that doesn't live with you, that isn't in your cohort. The harder we clamp down on our activities now, the sooner we'll be able to reopen.
In Calgary, Jackie Perez, City News.